Thank you. So, we'll start now.
Yes, sir.
So, it's good to hear from everyone, and right, and so a lot of good news. So, rule is long-term investing and then value investing. So, we will stick to that continuously. If you look at, FAI start buying it. So, last session which I was talking about it, whatever it is, FII வாங்கணும் FII வாங்கலைன்னா கஷ்டம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன். ஸோ 15, 16, 17 கண்டினியூஸாக வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. 4,600 crores on 17th, 3,936 crores on 16th, 6,000 crore on 15th. So 12, 13 is Saturday, Sunday, 14th Monday இல்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மண்டே வந்து ஏதோ ஒரு ஹாலிடே. மண்டே வந்து என்ன ஹாலிடே, ஏதோ சம் ஹாலிடே வச்சார். ஸோ மண்டே வாஸ் நியூ இயர், அம்பேத்கர் ஜெயந்தி. ஸோ அதனால இல்லை. 14th ஏப்ரல் 14th இட்ஸ் இல்லை. ஸோ அதனால மார்க்கெட் வாஸ் லீவ். பட் ஓவரால் ட்ரங்கேட்டட் வீக் 3 நாள் தான். ஃப்ரைடேவும் மார்க்கெட் இல்லை, குட் ஃப்ரைடே. பட் மார்க்கெட் நல்லா இருக்கு. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் ஆல்சோ த மார்க்கெட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி கோ குட். 23,851 இருக்கு, ரைட். ஸோ நம்ம என்ன சொல்லியிருந்தோம்னா, இந்த ரேஞ்ச் ஆஃப் 22,000 லெவலில் போகும்போது இட் வில் பவுன்ஸ் பேக்னு சொல்லியிருந்தோம். ஸோ இட் ஹஸ் ஹேப்பன், ரைட். தட் இஸ் த பாட்டம். And currently up almost 1,800 points up from bottom, right? So it is very good news for us. It is almost 10% or 8-9% from the bottom, 8 to 9% from bottom. So that is good. So if the market will continue to move, if it breaks above 24,900, then it will be a good one, right? But our expectation is the market will continue to move on, keep buying it, right, wherever it's possible, and it's all working well. Look at gold. Gold again, 8,945 போயிருக்கு. இந்த லெவல்ல வாங்கக்கூடாது. If already bought 7,000 லெவல்ல வாங்கியிருந்தோம்னா 7,000 level is a bottom, and from there 2,1945 up. So our recommendation on gold earlier was buying. Now you can book profit on gold and wait. There may be, the gold will have small corrections. It will go down up to 85 or 84 to 85, or even below also. So please book a profit. Gold is almost reaches a peak, huge run up due to Trump tariff problems, or tariff war. Okay. So don't buy gold at this level. This level, wait and watch. Okay. So this is where our positions. So we need to see. It will take some time. It is very, very, very difficult to predict when it will come down. It will come down, when the problems are settling it down. You can expect the gold price fall during May, June, even July also. Right? May be a very, very staggered month. but June, July, you can see the gold price may fall. Uh, don't buy at this level. Hmm? Tentative projection on pricing, that's what I said, 8,400 to 8,500. May end, you can see the corrections in gold. It will run up probably another 1 or 200 points also may possibility, but this is not the right level to buy a gold. And if you have bought a gold at 7,000 level, book profit. Hmm, Book profit. That is what we were saying it. Oh, right? So, yeah. So this is what the gold projection is all about it. You need to be very, very careful while you are buying a gold. Oh, right. 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 Hmm. Okay. So multiple asset class which we are trying to hold, and we'll see any tentative projection. Gold ETF is good option, I believe, to buy gold. Yes, gold ETF is a good option to buy, but not at this level. Or if you are buying it, you are buying it at a SIP mode, not on a one-time buying. So just be careful about the gold. Gold has generated already 14% return. So it's done. And the equity, 12% from the bottom is almost on the wedge. International equity funds also is on the better movement. Oh. So we need to be careful while we are looking at gold. Right? So, okay, right. So look at our portfolio. What is up? State Bank of India is run up. It has come to minus 5.23. Earlier it was 10% down. It is almost minus 5.23. HDFC 1906. Anytime it will cross the target of 2200. Hmm. It's run up now. ICICI Bank is at 1259. We recommended, right? 1500 was target. It will touch any moment. Another 94 rupees to go. Right? It may touch even our next week meeting also. It may touch. Geo Financials, it touched the bottom of 200 rupees. And those who are bottom at that level, 20% up from that bottom, is coming at 246. It's a long-term bet, minus 20% it is there. If you have a cash in hand, buy again. That's what I am keep on telling it. You can average it out. Coal India, it's a PSU bank, high dividend yield bank. Sorry, PSU company, high dividend yield at 400 rupees. If you have money, you can buy. Jinasika is our famous stock. It's running up at 2,251 now. That is also running up towards 3,000 levels. IOCL, again, last week it was a good week for IOCL. It come to 134. Railway Nikas, it's a railway stock. It's a good stock, but it has beaten down now. If you have a cash, you can buy railway now. Railway Vikas Nikam Limited. Same way for sale. It's a PSC company, high dividend yield. Metal side, 114. That 150 is possible. Indian Bank is a very, very strong bet at this level. Even 575 is a good time to buy. It reaches the bottom of 520, 530. From there, it has come back to 575. Ashok Leyland, again, last week or week before, we recommended month before, 204 we are recommended. It has come to 219. 284 is a target. It already delivered a 7.35% return. It's a good return. These stocks, even at these levels, you can buy. So we have constructed a very good portfolio. Banks, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stocks. Right? Most of the stocks, started giving at positive returns. Probably another 500 points, that the entire portfolio will be in green. This is a penny stock, very high risk. Bank of Maharashtra, last week was a good week. South Indian Bank also is moved up. IRFC is struggling. Vodafone India or Vodafone Idea at 7.31 level, right? So we need to see. Reliance Power, it started moving up at 7.4%. These are all the good stocks to hold on. IRFC, South Indian Bank and all, if you have a time, if you have a money, you can buy it. But holding it for long term, maybe 18 to 24 months. It takes some time to move up. So last week we were talking about Suryodaya Bank also. Around 104 we were talking about it. I can put it here. It's a Suryodaya Bank. Or here I will put. Now it is quoting around 120 or something like that. We call it as SFB. Suryodaya. Right? It's banking. The last week or week before we are talking about 6/4/2025 we are talking about it. We are recommending around 104. Target will be 200. So let's see what is the price, because it's a good bank to buy. Suryodaya, a small finance bank. Right? It's called SFB. Right? This bank has got a lot of LPA, but it's recovering now. It's also applied for, the commercial banking license. Right? It's called Suryodaya Small Finance Bank Limited. Right? Suryodaya. It's quoting at 126 now. Okay, so if you have a money, you can keep buying it. Suryodaya Small Finance Bank also. Ujjivan Bank, when we had start talking about it, it was around 34, 35 level. What is at current level, which is to be quoted? That is also comes around 40 rupees. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Right? IDFC is a good bank to buy. Dabur in FMCG side. Pharma, Cipla and Sun Pharma, we are talking about it. Castrol, Tata Motor, right? If you are able to take risk, little high risk, right? Ola Electric is a good buy. It's beaten down. It's eat like anything. It has fallen from 140 level. 140 level. Now we need to see what is the current level it goes. Oh, right. So let's look at before that. I also recommend other 2 3 banks which is there. Oh, if you have a time and money, you can buy these 2 banks. We were already spoken about SBI. You can look at Canara Bank and IDFC already is there. This is IDFC. If you have a patience, it can be a jackpot. Oh, right. So we can look at those banks. Ola Electric, it is quoting around 50.22, but high risk, right? And it will touch 90 rupees probably after some period, not immediately. Uh, FMCG started moving up. Oh, these stocks and all, it's a good time to buy. Oh, so we can look at these stocks. We can see. Oh, okay. ETF also can we do? Last time recommend pharma ETF. Yeah, pharma Nippon Pharma ETF. We have seen that. Right. So I will just add it here. Nippon Pharma ETF. So I will add that. Right. It is quoting around 21 rupees 54 rupees. 21 rupees 54 paise. Last 1 week, 5% it is up. Nippon Pharma. Nippon Pharma ETF. So I can add it here. I will add here. Last 1 week alone, 1 week return is that, the Nippon Pharma ETF will move around 5%. 1 week 5% is a good return, right? Uh, Nippon Pharma ETF, right? Pharma ETF. I'll put the price. Last week he recommended around 13, right? 13 for 25. He recommended around 20 rupees it seems. 20 rupees. Today is around 21.14, something like that. But 0.54. Right. So it's a good, things to look at. Yeah, 21.53. Right. So this will generate around 15-20% easily. It will generate Nippon Pharma ETF. So we are building up a right portfolio, right way we are doing it, and it will generate a good return. And our stock selection was extremely good, even at the volatile market. That's what I was telling people. Those who are bought at averaging it out continuously, this portfolio has generated, plus return of 3-4%, right? And then if the market is falling, so other ETF, just give me a minute, I'll tell you. So we can pick up some ETFs. Oh, right. Because ETF advantages is the complete diversification is there. That is called exchange traded ETF. We were talking about the last class. We were talking about some ETF. And I will tell you another one more ETF for this week. Oh, uh, that will be a good ETF. We can do that. But I'll tell you. So 1 second. You can buy the PSU Bank ETF. It may be Mire Asset, PSU ETF you can buy, or you can buy again Nippon Bank ETF itself. So Mire also Nifty PSU Bank ETF is there, uh, right? And then Nippon also will be there. And there is a Kotak Nifty ETF also, PSU Bank ETF will be there. So I suggest we can go Nippon Nifty PSU Bank ETF only. Right. So I will add here. Right. Because ETF, will be a better choice rather than the mutual fund, because your charges are low and you can come out anytime. PSU Bank ETF. Oh, this is PSU Bank ETF, which is also recommended on 24/20/25. You can buy at current market level. It's at 72.47. Right. These I am very very bullish. Expected to touch 100 rupees. Oh, it is almost 50% from the low. It may touch. Oh. So look at these kind of stock selections. Hold on. My view on Trump thing and all, it will all settle down in another 1 or 2 months time, right? There will not be any bigger issues which is coming up. Oh. PSU means public sector undertaking. Like it will be there. PSU banks. I will give you the list of PSU banks. These Nippon, you know, uh, PSU banks. I will tell you where they are investing in. Oh, right. Mainly they invest in uh, major PSU banks. I will show you that. I will show you that very old fund. Oh, very old fund. I will show you that where they are investing it. Oh. If you look at this is a portfolio. Oh. You see, it's fallen down 72 rupees, and this is in a day. It touches 72.47. Uh, year range is 61. It has fallen. Year range is up to 90. It has gone up. Oh. They mainly invest in State Bank of India, oh, Bank of Baroda, 16%. Canara Bank, 11.4%. Indian Bank. These three banks, it's a big bet. Even for a stock, you can look at these three banks, right? I can say State Bank of India, oh, and State Bank of India, Canara Bank, Indian Bank. These three banks are a big bet. That is almost 50% they are holding it. 50% they are holding it. It's a good time to buy. State Bank of India, 1 year return is 7.91%. These banks, forward P is only 9.71%. If you look at return, 1 year return, most of the banks are beaten down. Bank of Maharashtra -20, Indian Overseas Bank -40, Central Bank -41. It's a good time to buy. Most of the stocks, almost except State Bank of India, everything has fallen. So it's a time to buy from 90 rupees. It is cheaper at 72 rupees. It's a time to buy that Nippon India thing, PSC Bank, because PSC Bank, the next run up is on PSC banks. You can look at. Okay, right. So we are just coming to the end of our presentation. Any questions or any doubts I can clarify? Right, Venkatesan sir or Chakrathi sir or Sachi Kumar, any questions or any doubts? So next 9 months it is going to go good. Keep buying it, buy smaller quantity. It will all do well. Oh, okay. So any questions or any doubts? Right. So okay. So we'll stop with that. Thank you so much. We will come out with new stocks and new portfolio on the next week. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Venkatesan sir. Thank you, Sachi sir. Thank you, Sachi sir. Thank you. Thank you.